My name is Padmanabhan. I am a part of the iPMP 2023 to 2024 batch at NAMTECH. Now I am currently working as an operations change management engineer at Micron Semiconductor Technology, India. Here I have been grateful to be a part of NAMTECH, and largely because NAMTECH gives you the opportunity to learn a lot more skills and are different in the way they have to be learned. That is hands-on, learn from the experts and understand it in a way that you can apply it in the industry tomorrow. Let's say Micron is a company that allows people to learn new things, understand new concepts and give new freshers a lot more opportunities. NAMTECH is the same way. It helps you to build new skills, especially in the area of Industry 4.0, new managerial skills. For example, we had courses in change management, we had courses in data analytics, we had courses cyber physical systems. All of these things that we will eventually be using in a company to the levels such as Micron. And I think that is the most important thing of being at NAMTECH. The connections you grow, the communication, the way your communication changes, the way you see yourself more professionally, and that helps you to prepare yourself to be in a company like Micron. And so that's why I'm really happy to be a part here, and thank you.